Look at this. There are 4,152 subscribers in my trading group, and we're killing it. I got a few shout outs to give on my trading group. This person stated, signed up for VIP Elite, took your suggestion. I doubled my money in less than a week. This person, I'm up $58,000 in 10 days. Chris, thanks a lot for everything. I'm 3 or 4 months in the group. I've turned $4,000 into 65 grand. 65 G's out of 4,000. It's more than 10x. He more than 10x'd his money in the group. This person, I'm up $10,000 in the last week. I've got a cryptocurrency trading group. I've got 6 chat groups where everybody's calling out breakouts, posting charts, working together to trade this market. I've got 41 videos in a playlist. If you don't know anything about trading at all, nothing, you can watch these videos. You'll be making profitable trades. Number one reason why people join my trading group is I post profitable trading setups every single day, and we've been killing it. If you guys want to join the cryptocurrency trading group, you want to pay in crypto, email me, cryptobitcoinchris@gmail.com. I'll get you set up and in the group today. You pay for 6 months in crypto, you get a 20% discount. You pay for the year in crypto, you get an additional month for free and a 30% discount. If you do want to pay with a card month to month on a monthly basis, you can do so. There's a Patreon link that's in the description. This is Tezos up 72%. You can see here's the setup posted. Here's 52% out of link. Again, bought the breakout down here. Here's the setup. Here's Ethereum, 57% gains out of Ethereum. Here's the setup. Bitcoin Cash broke out 60% gains over time. I want to thank everybody for watching Crypto Revolution. We talk about everything crypto daily. Before we jump in this video, I want to ask you guys to smash the like button for me. If you came into cryptocurrency to make life-changing money, if you're tired of working a 9-to-5 job, tired of working for somebody else, you're ready for life-changing money, subscribe to the channel. I'm going to keep you updated with the news that moves the markets, the important news, Bitcoin technical analysis, altcoin setups to help you make some profits. Jumping right into the market today in crypto. Bitcoin is at 10,330, little uptick in the price. Okay, so let's start here. Daily chart. Bitcoin, this big structure up here obviously broke to the downside. Now the bulls are holding the $10,000 level. If this support doesn't hold, you're looking at 9,800, 9,500, 9,000. And then there's, potential downside below that if those levels don't hold, level by level. Okay. Now the 3-day chart real quick, just to give validity to this idea of this rising wedge. So you can see that the price action's trying to reverse on this lower trend line. The question is, the bulls really have to break and hold above about 10,500, break to the downside, and you could retest this triangle, down at 9,000. A bounce there, would be pretty bullish because it's a bullish retest of this, a breakout of this large triangle that we've been in for a couple years. So that's another idea as well. How the bulls can turn things around for Bitcoin. This is a Bitcoin 1-hour chart zoomed in. So this is a rounded bottom. Okay. So what does this mean? This means the bears are winning. Bears are winning. Bears are winning. Bears are winning. They're putting in a series of lower lows and lower highs. Okay. Then the bulls show up and the bulls are winning. Bulls are winning. Bulls are winning because you put in a low and then a high, which is higher than the previous high, a higher high, and then a higher low. Now the bulls need another higher high. Look at this. Look at this here. See how the price is increasing? Price is increasing, but the volume's decreasing. Anytime there's decreasing volume on a move to the upside or the downside, you're looking for a reversal. Okay, so falling volume, reversal. Falling volume, reversal. Just remember that on these trends. So again, bulls need a higher high. It's all kind of resistance up here at about 10,400, 10,500, like we've talked about. I've got some amazing shout outs to give in my trading group. This is the reason why I have a YouTube channel. This is the reason why I have a trading group. This is the reason why I'm passionate about helping other people succeed. I get emails like this, and it always means a lot to hear you guys when you reach out. This person stated, I've been in crypto for 4 years. I put 100 G's in the market. I lost 50 G's. I've probably paid about $10,000 over the last 2 years on various courses to no real avail. Then I found you. Now he made back his 50 that he lost, plus another 3,000 profit because of your setups and your signals. The success is amazing. We've created an ecosystem. We're driven to help other people succeed. We work together as a team. This person stated, last Thursday was my last day trading. I made a huge mistake. Basically, he left all his money in Bitcoin, and he didn't take any profits last week, so he incurred huge losses. So after his workday ended, he went through, he trusted the process, he developed a strategy, he traded the market in front of him. He says, within 3 trades, I recovered 80% of what was taken from me because he didn't lose money, other people took his money. I'm going to teach you guys to think for yourselves in a market that is trying to take your money, period. This person said, I'm new to crypto, I'm new to trading, I've been in the group for 3 weeks. I've watched your videos, I've increased my portfolio 125%. CHZ, Chili's came out with this tweet and they said, we are preparing a new Socios CHZ product, and it's related to their fan token launches. Their fan token launches in the past have equated to about 20-25% run-ups, okay? And so this has a new DeFi spicy flavor. I found some spicy DeFi Doritos. Spicy, they have a little bubble DeFi logo on them too. I want spicy DeFi flavored Doritos. I want that. Now the rumor is these bags are actually shipping empty, a bunch of empty promises. DeFi, your bag's full of DeFi right now, or you're staying away from DeFi? I'm just curious. Don't feel like DeFi is going to disappear soon. Watch. Every time the market comes out and makes these bold statements and everything's falling apart and everything, and next thing you know, DeFi takes off, and I'll show you this in a second. But then I was going to give you guys this setup, and I posted this setup, and I actually tweeted on Twitter. Follow me on Twitter, cryptobtc_Chris. Tweeted on Twitter, and then boom, somebody threw about 12 Bitcoin at this trade. And so this is going to be, hey, here's the setup. Here you go. Buy the breakout at this level. Boom, move to the upside. Now, it only hit the first target. I mean, there's still plenty of upside here. Essentially, you're going to buy the breakout of this level, and you potentially a retest would even be better right here. You just take it level by level. And so, again, these have equated to about 20% gains on these CHZ type setups. They've had them before. Forbes came out and said if Bitcoin crashes below 10,000, it's all over. And I tweeted immediately, here comes the pump. Bitcoin's about to pump, guys, because mainstream media is always wrong. Counter trade to the herd, counter trade mainstream news. Remember, mainstream news was calling buy XRP at $3, right? And they were also saying the same thing about $20,000 Bitcoin. So I wonder why everybody FOMO'd in to the top of Bitcoin. STPT got solid setup on this. This has had some upside. They've got a mainnet launch. Whiteboard this, write this down. Mainnet launch September the 30th. Phantom came out. Good setup on this. I posted. They're getting closer to releasing Phantom Finance. We've made a substantial change to the DeFi smart contract, and we're addressing some critical feedback testers brought up. So they're working on Phantom Finance. Mr. Blue came out and he said, how can I get my money back from my investment? I put 20 G's in Uniswap and now I have $5. My wife is mad. My wife is mad. Listen, I think this is a joke because it was a tweet on Twitter, and he's got a link, and he's pumping link down here at the bottom. The thing is with Uniswap is there's one thing about DeFi, and then Uniswap, God, I just feel like it's an ecosystem where you have a bunch of people printing money. You have a bunch of people printing coins, printing ideas, and they're selling them, hyping them, paying YouTubers to hype them. Hype. And then they dump their bags, and then they sell on top of everybody's head and take profits. I mean, they're in this to make money. They're not trying to be your friend. So just remember, Uniswap might be, it's high risk. I mean, you can make some money, but at least if these coins get added to some exchanges, there's a little bit more volume, a lot better liquidity. Not to say that they're safe, but say they might be a little bit easier to trade on some of these larger exchanges. So Binance came out and they added some new coins. These are new leverage tokens. And they've already had some on Binance. They have EOS up and down. So if you open a trade on EOS down and EOS dumps, you make money, right? It's like kind of like shorting. This is like the training wheels of shorting this market. And you can Bitcoin down, you can short Bitcoin if you buy BTC down. Ethereum, you want to short Ethereum. Ethereum down, ETH down, Link down, Tezos down, ADA down. Okay. Again, you're profiting if these pull back, if you're buying the down version. Now, these are leveraged, so you're going to make or lose more money based on the price increases or losses of the actual original tokens that these are attached to. Okay, so these are risky. However, it does give us the ability to short some of these coins without dealing with a bunch of leveraged trading on some of these exchanges. So if you want to delve into shorting this market, Binance is definitely an exchange that I recommend. There's a link in the description to Binance International where you can trade these coins. If you live in the United States, you need to use PureVPN. The link is also in the description as well. Tether comes out and they launched on Solana blockchain. And again, SOL pumped huge on this news. Check this out. Boom. Move to the upside. Solana. This coin actually has a lot of things going on. Something interesting to watch over time. But you can look, there's a good technical pattern. I'm going to show you, I've got a lot of these setups that look like this, double bottoms. These are reversal ideas, and it's happening all over these altcoins. Might be temporary reversal, obviously just depends on what Bitcoin does. REN, this means REN VM is capable of exchanging Bitcoin for Zcash on an Ethereum decentralized exchange, sending that ZEC to Polkadot to collateralize a stablecoin, sending that stablecoin back to Ethereum where it was lent out to another user. So this is good news for REN, resulting in a clean cross-chain user experience for almost any digital asset or contracting platform. Again, DeFi here for REN. Engine, looking forward to seeing ENJ-backed NFTs on Coincheck's upcoming marketplace. Good news for ENJ. Binance is going to be making an exclusive announcement during tomorrow's Binance Summit. What do you think it could be? What do you think it could be? There's no way anybody can know everything about this market. You have to learn where all this information is at. Google is a great resource. Google everything. Add Reddit to the end of your search term and you'll get a bunch of the super nerds of crypto are on Reddit, and they will argue tooth and nail about anything you want to talk about. It's opinions, but it's good to hear their feedback. Like if you're having a problem with Coinbase, had someone reach out to Coinbase and his account's locked and he can't get to his crypto off Coinbase. And I said, hey, there's tons of user experiences on the same exact topic on Reddit. So use Google. It's a good tool. Zcoin is having its first halving. It's set to happen around September the 24th. There's a very good setup on this. There'll be some upside going forward with Zcoin. Now, this is a possible bullish scenario for the altcoin. This is the total crypto market cap, excluding Bitcoin, the total two. So it looks like that the total altcoin market cap broke out and is now retesting this key support level. Are you ready for round number 2? Altcoin bonanza, altcoin boom. If this takes off after a successful retest and doesn't break and fall lower, then we'll have altcoin season all over again. UMA, so this is a coin, new coin that's added to Binance recently, today, and Coinbase yesterday. And so it's synthetic tokens where you can track anything. They've got a token builder. You can essentially track the price of anything on this idea. Okay, so there's going to be decentralized crypto futures based on this idea. UMA is already up 10x. It's already up 1,000%. Okay, so just be mindful. You want to be careful when these coins have had exponential price rises, because this is Bitcoin CME futures. So you got this Bitcoin CME futures gap overhead. This was a possible bullish MACD cross. Now it's been confirmed. Your bullish divergence got confirmed. Bullish divergence got confirmed here, and you see you got an uptick in the price action, right? Because if you look, see how your lows right here are trending lower, but down here they're trending higher. So it's bullish divergence. It did play out. Here's your move to the upside. Now you got a little double bottom. The question is, are we going to fill this CME futures gap overhead, or are we going to fill the one below 10,000 first? Everybody's talking about the DeFi bubble. It's bursting. Hey, that looks like the DeFi bubble from my chips. My DeFi bubble chips. DeFi dump started. Most tokens dropped 50% in a week. And I would say most altcoins probably dropped about that much. But go to Binance. Wow. 40%, 23, 22, 20, 20, 18, 17, 17, 16, 16, 16, 16, 15, 15, 15, 14, 14, 12. Well, altcoins are on fire right now. It's important to understand that you can't trade this market the same way every day, right? There's a time to go big. There's a time to go big. As soon as Bitcoin finds a little bit of stability, recognize what the rest of the market is doing. This is not, hey, what should I do today, or how should I trade this, or should I take profits? Think about what is everybody else going to do and do it a little bit before they do. Front run the herd, front run other traders. You're trading against them. You're trying to take their money, period. Okay, real quick, just to run through some of these setups to show you. Again, you got this double bottoms type, actually kind of a triple bottom type pattern on CRV. Okay, so all these altcoins are trying to bottom right now. So this is a setup I posted this morning, like 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock this morning. Boom, move to the upside. Okay, you can still buy a breakout of this level. There's still potential. This looks like a good setup, good reversal pattern. Again, it depends on Bitcoin, right? It's Cody. Lots of news this month. You got mainnet coming. Tons of news, okay? Tons of news. You got a bull pennant. Boom, move to the upside. Broke out. Now, you can still good pattern. You're going to buy the breakout of this level. Buy the breakout, and you got targets listed up here. Okay, but again, lots of news this month. Focus on these coins with news. Polkadot posted this one like 5 o'clock this morning. Buy the breakout of this level. What happened? Boom, move to the upside. Targets are up here. Now look, it's going to come down here. It's going to retest, and it's going to boom, springboard, move to the upside potentially. SRM, I like this coin. DeFi coin. You see, posted this like 4 or 5 o'clock this morning. Boom, move to the upside. Looks like it retested right here. Again, look, you got this double bottom. Okay, these are reversal ideas. This is BNB USDT. So remember, Bella launch pool started. So what is that? You're able to farm BEL tokens, Bella tokens. What you do, you essentially are going to stake your BNB for a month, and they're going to pay. So previously they had these initial exchange offerings where you had to do KYC and you had to do all these things, jump through hoops to get the coins. Now this is a new coin going to be listed. All kinds of hype about this. You're going to get your biggest payout of Bella if you're staking BNB tokens. Okay, so now the more tokens you stake, the more coins you get paid out. But again, this is a cool idea as far as you're going to see an increase in the price of BNB over the long term for this month, but there might be a sell-off before October the 9th when these coins are unlocked, because BNB price should see some type of uptick. Now you do have declining volume on increasing price, so at some point you might see some type of reversal and retest here. This is Bitcoin dominance chart. Now there's still room for a short-term move to the downside on this 4-hour chart. So you got strong support down here. Now when you got a bearish retest. Now when this falls, these altcoins take off again. Very important to understand this idea. This is like the on-off switch for the altcoins. If you guys like the content that I provide on a daily basis, be sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video, comment below, hit the bell for notifications. Thanks so much. I'll see you guys tomorrow.